Okay, welcome back. It is day 147 of coding every day. Um, yeah, didn't do too much today. I had a problem set for linear algebra that I had to do, and then worked a little on the computer architecture project. And that was about it. Didn't so I actually did not record any of that, so we're gonna have to do another easy LeetCode. So I did code today, but no proof technically. So we'll just do another easy LeetCode, and then call it a night. So this so it's 3 more weeks until the semester's over. I really need to focus in on linear algebra because the first two exams did not do too great on. So this last one I want to finish strong, make sure at the very least I pass the class, but also maybe pull away with a decent grade. Same thing with computer system principles. I actually didn't do too good on the exams for that class. There's one more, so hopefully I can just do good on that one. But the projects and stuff like that were fine. Um, so yeah, and then the computer architecture final demonstration is next Wednesday. So uh, that is priority number one for academic stuff. But yeah, let's get this leak code done so I can get this video uploaded. Um, let's see. Maybe another binary tree thing. Invert the binary tree. I think I did this on LeetCode before. So given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree, return its root. I did it just flip everything. So how does this flip? These just yeah, okay. Okay. Um well this isn't even like a DFS, right? It's like I guess it kind of no, it like is, right? Because what do I want to do? I want to say, okay, so let's say we have like, our first node. Obviously, we check for none and return none if there's nothing. And then we want to swap the value. So like for each given node, we want to just for each given node, we want to take the left and right values and swap them, right? So like 4 has 2 and 7, so we just want to swap that so it's 7 and 2. And then the 7 node that was 2 mm, has 9 and 6. So we'd swap those, but how do we get that over to the other side? Right? So this is root dot left and root dot right are equal to each other. Then we go here and I say, okay, root dot left is equal to root dot right, and these switch. But then like that has to switch. Oh no 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 no! Because when I say like it's equal to dot left, they automatically switch. Yeah, no no no. So I can just say if not root. I don't even have to do a DFS. I can just do the actual function. So if not root, return none. Um, Otherwise, we literally just want it to be root dot left is equal. I can just do the root dot left and root dot right is equal to how do you spell right is equal to root dot right and root dot left. I think that's just it, and then just invert the tree calling on root dot left and invert tree dot right. And then when we're done with all that, we just want to return our new inverted tree. Inverted tree is not. Oh, I have to do like a self dot inventory, right? My bad, my bad. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. That was like actually a very easy one. Okay, yeah. So that is all that I have for today. So I'll see you tomorrow. Um, yeah. I don't I definitely need to start record. See, and maybe I'll start because I mean I have to edit it anyway, so I might literally just record and then like chop it up. Because the thing that I hate is when I'm programming, I will like think of something, do a little bit of it, and then I'll be like, wait, is that right? And then I'll like sit there for like it could be a few minutes, right? I'm just like thinking, maybe like writing something like down, just like, oh, how would this work? And so it's like the actual like recording is just like nothing's happening at all. But at the same time, who cares? So I don't know. I'll just start recording when I'm like working on at school and stuff like that, I guess. And then if I want to edit something because it took a while for me to start typing again, I can do that, I guess. So, but anyways, I will see you tomorrow for day 149. Almost at day 150. So, okay, bye.